Hi, I'm Dennis Johnson from Weiss-Johnson. Keep your cool this summer with a quality air conditioning unit from Weiss-Johnson. Feel perfectly at ease relaxing at home with the XC17. Exclusive silent comfort technology offers quiet and efficient cooling all season long, minimizing energy usage to help you save on utility bills. Weiss-Johnson, we want both your home and budget to be as comfortable as they can be. The Lennox XC17 has met the Weiss-Johnson standard for long-lasting performance and durability. Weiss-Johnson recommends this air conditioner for its efficient and economical performance that provides you, the homeowner, with reliable cooling. With an efficiency rating of up to 18 SEER, you can save hundreds of dollars a year compared to a standard air conditioner. SEER rating stands for Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio. Basically, the higher the SEER rating, the more efficient the air conditioner is and the less power the unit needs to operate. A precision balanced direct drive fan is designed to provide quieter operation and longer product life. iComfort enabled technology allows the air conditioner, when installed with the easy-to-use programmable iComfort touchscreen thermostat, to exchange information and make adjustments as needed to optimize performance and efficiency. The Lennox XC17 has a 10-year limited warranty on its compressor and covered components. A cool, comfortable home doesn't have to use a lot of energy. Call Weiss-Johnson today so we can provide you more information on innovative air conditioning solutions with efficiency in mind.
Weiss-Johnson, Weiss-Johnson, whoa. We're proud to be local and family owned. Count on experience to speak for itself. With Weiss-Johnson, Weiss-Johnson, whoa. Striving to